Get warm on your terms with this top-selling wall heater. The Com-Pak is an efficient and affordable way to add warmth without installing new ductwork. With multiple installation options and proven safety features, your family can enjoy safe, sensible warmth for years. The durable, reliable design of the Com-Pak CSC151TW heater has durable metal surfaces that make for a long-lasting product. A galvanized steel wall can hold the unit together, while a powder-coated paint job finishes the face of the grille. 1,500 watts at 120 volts makes it ideal for medium-sized rooms. The thermostat is in a low position when the knob is turned completely counterclockwise. Complete units without a built-in thermostat are also available. The temperature range of the thermostat is 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Proudly made assembled in the USA. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Fast heating. Our electric wall heater is designed with a fast heating coil element that can warm a 200 square feet area in a hurry. Number 2. Safe. Our heater has been designed with a high temperature safety shutoff to help with your peace of mind. Number 3. Maximize living space. Our unique compact design is recess mounted in order to suit any room, whether it's on the wall or the ceiling. Number 4. Quiet. The centrifugal fan provides quiet and efficient airflow, spreading warmth quickly around the room. Number 5. What's included? Our most popular electric wall heater comes as a complete unit including a wall can, heater, grill, and thermostat for hardwired installation. Number 6. The Com-Pak is an efficient, affordable way to add warmth without installing ductwork. These hard-wired heaters have proven safety features, multiple installation options, and provide safe, sensible warmth for years. Number 7. Optional thermostat. Available with or without a built-in thermostat. Number 8. Easy to install. It only takes 3 screws to install heater assembly and grill into the wall. Number 9. Ceiling mount optional. All models that are 1500W or less are able to be mounted on the ceiling to keep your wall space clean. Number 10. Efficient. Centrifugal fan provides quiet, efficient airflow. Number 11. Quick heat distribution. Warm up in a hurry with a fast heating element that distributes heat evenly in the room. Number 12. Quick heat distribution. Warm up in a hurry with a fast heating element that distributes heat evenly in the room. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.